Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with nerve pain and seeking natural remedies? You've come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing the 7 best natural remedies to help relieve nerve pain. Nerve pain can be debilitating, affecting our daily lives and overall well-being. Thankfully, nature has provided us with some incredible solutions to alleviate this discomfort. Let's dive in. Number 1. Exercise. Exercise has been shown to be beneficial for nerve pain relief in several ways. Regular physical activity can help improve blood circulation, which in turn promotes the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the nerves, aiding in their repair and reducing pain. Engaging in low-impact exercises such as walking, swimming, or cycling can help alleviate nerve pain by releasing endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body. These endorphins can help block pain signals and improve mood, resulting in reduced discomfort and an overall sense of well-being. Additionally, exercise can also help strengthen the muscles surrounding the affected nerves, providing better support and reducing pressure on them. Building muscle strength can improve posture and alignment, reducing the risk of nerve compression and subsequent pain. It is important to note that the type and intensity of exercise should be tailored to suit each individual's needs and capabilities. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a physical therapist is advised to determine the most suitable exercises for nerve pain relief. Furthermore, in order to maximize the benefits of exercise for nerve pain relief, it is essential to maintain consistency and gradually increase the intensity and duration of physical activity over time. This will allow the body to adapt and build endurance, leading to greater pain reduction. In conclusion, exercise can be a valuable tool in managing nerve pain. It improves blood circulation, releases endorphins, and strengthens surrounding muscles, all of which contribute to reducing pain and improving overall well-being. However, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to develop a personalized exercise plan that takes into account any underlying conditions and individual needs. Number 2. Essential oils. Essential oils have been used for centuries for various therapeutic purposes, including pain relief. However, when it comes to nerve pain relief, the effectiveness of essential oils can vary depending on the underlying cause and individual response. Some essential oils have analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that can potentially provide temporary relief from nerve pain when applied topically or inhaled. For example, peppermint oil contains menthol, which has a cooling effect that can help numb the area and alleviate discomfort. Similarly, lavender oil is known for its soothing properties and may have a calming effect on nerve pain. While essential oils can offer symptomatic relief, it's important to note that they are not a substitute for medical treatment, especially in cases of chronic or severe nerve pain. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause of the pain and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Additionally, it's crucial to use essential oils with caution and follow proper guidelines. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause allergic reactions or skin irritation if not properly diluted. It's recommended to do a patch test before applying them to a larger area and to consult a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare professional for guidance. In conclusion, while essential oils may have some potential benefits for nerve pain relief, they should be used as a complementary approach alongside medical treatment. Number 3. Hot and cold therapy. Hot and cold therapy can be effective in providing relief for nerve pain in certain cases. These techniques work by altering blood flow and reducing inflammation, which can help alleviate discomfort. Hot therapy, such as applying warm compresses or using a heating pad, helps to increase blood circulation in the area, promoting relaxation and reducing muscle spasms. It can also increase the flexibility of tissues and alleviate stiffness, which can contribute to nerve pain relief. Cold therapy, on the other hand, can help numb the affected area and reduce inflammation. Applying ice packs or using cold therapy tools can constrict blood vessels, reducing swelling and nerve conduction, which can ease the sensation of pain. It is important to note that hot and cold therapy should be used with caution and in consultation with a healthcare professional. Factors such as the cause and severity of the nerve pain, as well as the individual's overall health, should be considered. Additionally, it is advisable to use a barrier, like a towel, between the skin and the hot or cold source to prevent burns or frostbite. Do you like this video so far? If you want to see more exciting content like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update from our channel. Let's continue. Number 4. Herbal supplements. When it comes to nerve pain relief, herbal supplements are often sought as an alternative or complementary treatment option. It is important to note that while some herbal supplements have shown potential benefits, more research is needed to substantiate their effectiveness for nerve pain relief. One commonly used herbal supplement for nerve pain relief is St. John's wort. It contains compounds that have been found to possess anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which may help reduce nerve pain. However, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using St. John's wort, as it may interact with other medications and have adverse side effects. Another herbal supplement that is often used for nerve pain is turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which exhibits anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some studies suggest that curcumin may help alleviate nerve pain by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. However, more research is needed to determine the optimal dosage and long-term benefits of using turmeric for nerve pain relief. Additionally, herbal supplements such as chamomile, passionflower, and valerian root have been traditionally used for their calming and relaxing properties. While they may help alleviate the symptoms of nerve pain indirectly by reducing stress and promoting better sleep, their direct effects on nerve pain need further investigation. It is crucial to remember that herbal supplements can have potential side effects and may interact with other medications. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a qualified herbalist before incorporating any herbal supplements into your routine. In conclusion, while some herbal supplements show potential for nerve pain relief, more research is needed to determine their effectiveness and safety. It is always advisable to seek professional advice before using herbal supplements to manage nerve pain. Number 5. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is a traditional Chinese medicine technique that involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body. It has gained popularity as a potential treatment option for nerve pain relief. Studies have shown that acupuncture can be beneficial in managing various types of nerve pain, including neuropathic pain. The exact mechanism behind its effectiveness is not yet fully understood, but it is believed to involve the stimulation of nerve fibers and the release of natural pain-relieving substances in the body, such as endorphins. Acupuncture is generally considered safe when performed by a trained and licensed practitioner. However, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before undergoing acupuncture, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can guide you on whether acupuncture is suitable for your specific situation and help you find a qualified practitioner. It's worth noting that while acupuncture may provide relief for some individuals, it may not work for everyone or be a standalone treatment for severe nerve pain. It is often used as part of a comprehensive pain management plan, including other interventions such as medication, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications. Number 6. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation and mindfulness practices have shown promise in providing relief for nerve pain. These techniques involve training the mind to focus on the present moment, cultivating a non-judgmental attitude, and increasing self-awareness. Studies suggest that regular meditation and mindfulness practice can help individuals better cope with and manage nerve pain. These practices promote relaxation, reduce stress, and enhance overall well-being, which can indirectly alleviate the perception of pain. Mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) programs, which incorporate meditation and mindfulness techniques, have been found to significantly decrease pain severity and improve quality of life in individuals with chronic pain conditions, including nerve pain. Through meditation and mindfulness practices, individuals learn to observe their pain without reacting to it, fostering a sense of detachment and reducing the emotional suffering associated with chronic pain. Moreover, meditation has been found to modulate pain perception by changing the brain's response to painful stimuli. It's important to note that while meditation and mindfulness can be helpful, they may not completely eliminate nerve pain, especially in cases of severe or chronic conditions. Number 7. Healthy diet. Maintaining a healthy diet can play a crucial role in managing nerve pain. Consuming a well-balanced and nutritious diet provides the body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for nerve health and pain relief. Certain nutrients have been found to have particularly beneficial effects on nerve health. For example, omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, flax seeds, and walnuts have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce nerve pain associated with conditions like neuropathy. Additionally, vitamins B12, B6, and B1 are essential for nerve function and can be obtained from sources like lean meats, dairy products, whole grains, and legumes. A healthy diet also promotes weight management, which is important for individuals experiencing nerve pain. Excess weight can put added stress on nerves and exacerbate pain symptoms. Furthermore, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides antioxidants and phytochemicals that help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, which can contribute to nerve pain. It is worth noting that everyone's nutritional needs may vary, and consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian is recommended for personalized advice. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 7 best natural remedies for nerve pain. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, when it comes to finding relief for your nerves, natural options are often safe, effective, and empowering. Incorporating these remedies into your routine can provide long-term benefits, allowing you to regain control of your life. Don't let nerve pain hold you back. Explore these natural remedies, find what works best for you, and embark on a path towards a pain-free and fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on holistic health and well-being. Wishing you wellness and peace in every step of your journey. Quick reminder. This video is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to like the video.